Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting episode of Vedic Math Magic. Are you ready to learn a super cool math trick that will help you multiply numbers in just seconds? Today, we are unlocking the secrets of the Yavadunam Sutra, a simple yet powerful technique that lets you solve multiplications without long calculations. So, grab your notebooks, sharpen your minds, and let's get started. Before we jump into the trick, let's understand what Yawadunam means. Yawadunam is a Sanskrit phrase that means, whatever the extent of the deficiency, lessen it further to the same extent, and set up the square of that deficiency. Sounds complicated? Don't worry, we will simplify it with examples so you can master it in no time. When do we use this method? When numbers are close to powers of 10, like 10, 100, 1000. Helps in quick mental multiplication. Now, let's see how it works. Alright, let's take an example and apply the Yawadunam trick. Example number 198 multiplied by 98. Step 1. Identify the base. So, the nearest base to 98 is 100. Now, let's go to step 2. Find the deficiency. 98 is 2 less than 100, so the deficiency is -2. In the step 3, apply the sutra. Subtract the deficiency from the number. 98 minus 2 equals 96. This is the left part of the answer. After that, square the deficiency. -2 squared equals 4. This is the right part of the answer. In this way we got the final answer, equals 9604. See how easy that was? Instead of the long multiplication method, you just used subtraction and squaring. Let's try some more numbers to strengthen our understanding. Example 2 is 97 multiplied by 97. Let's find the base in the step 1 and the base is 100. In the step 2, find the deficiency, which is -3. Now subtract the deficiency from number in step 3. So we get 97 minus 3 equals 94. We got left part of the answer. At the last, step 4. Take square of -3, which is 9. Here's the right part of the answer. In this way we got final answer equals 9409 within few seconds. Example 3 is 9 multiplied by 9. Like previous solved example, let's find the base. And the base is 10. Now the time to get deficiency. So the deficiency is -1. After that, subtract the deficiency from number. So we get 9 minus 1 equals 8. Hence we got left part of the answer. At the last, take square of -1, which is 1. Here's the right part of the answer. And that's it, the answer is 81, so you have observed that, we can use this method for both smaller and bigger number. Now let's take such example in which, the number is greater than the nearest base. Example is, 103 multiplied by 103. Again we will use the same method but a different way. Let's find out the nearest base, which is a power of 10, so the base is 100. Now find the excess. 103 is 3 more than 100. So the excess will be +3. In the next step we have to add the excess with the given number 103. Hence 103 plus 3 equals 106. And here we got left part of the answer. Now proceed further to get the right part of the answer. Take the square of 3, which is 9. And finally we got the right part. So you have seen that we got the final answer, which is 10,609. Isn't that easy? It's really super fast method. Now it's time for a quick math challenge. You have 5 seconds to solve each question. Question 1 is 8 multiply by 8. Question 2 is 105 multiply by 105. Question 3 is 95 multiply by 95. Think fast. Your time starts now. Let's check the answers. Answer for the first is 64. Answer for the second is 11,025. Answer for the third is 9,025. How many did you get right? Comment below and let me know. Wow, you've just learned a super powerful math trick to multiply faster than a calculator. Here's a challenge for you. Try 109 times 109 using this method and comment your answer below. Let's see who gets it right first. If you loved this video, don't forget to like this video. Share it with your friends. Subscribe to mathsCore for more fun math tricks. See you in the next video. Keep learning and keep shining.